Hello everybody. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So if we want to find this one is greater than number 0, we need to find the solution of this one equals to number 0 and sin x equals to number 0. So for this one, I will put about t equals to sin x. So we have 2t squared minus t minus number 1. So this one, we need to have two solutions. That is about t equals to number 1 and t equals to negative 1 over 2. And we put about t that is about sin x. So for this one, that is about s equals to b over 2 plus k 2b, and k belongs to integers. And the next one, we have the formula in here. So this one, that is about 8 equals to arc sine of b. And we have k 2b. And the second one, 8 equals to b minus 2 arc sine of b plus k 2b. So if we apply the formula, they should be like this. Arc sine of negative 1 over 2, that is about negative b over 6. And we have k 2b. And the second one, b minus b over 6, that is about 7b over 6. So for this one, that is about s equals to k b. Now, after you got everything, we can draw the table. So we need to start from negative 2b to positive 2b. So we have sin s equals to number 1 and sin s equals to negative 1 over 2. So if I put this one go to the left, we can create the factor that is about sin s minus number 1 and 2 sin s plus number 1. So we put sin s minus 1 go in here. And 2 sin s plus 1 go in here. And the last one, that is about sin s. So we put all the solutions in here. So the first thing, we have s equals to kb. So when k equals to negative number 1, they will go in here. Number 0 go in here, and b go in here. So the next one, that is about b over 2. b over 2, they go in here. So when k equals to negative number 1, this one we have negative 3b over number 2. So the next one we have negative b over 6 that will go in here. When k equals to number 1, so this one we have 11b over 6. So we have 7b over 6. That is this one. And if we have k equals to negative number 1, so we have negative number 5b over 6. And now sine x minus number 1, that is about this one. So we have b over 2 go in here, and negative 3b over 2 go in here. So I will put one value. Let's say I will put b go to sine b minus 1. You got the negative number. We put number 0 go to sine s minus number 1. You got negative in here. Similar for this one, you got about negative. So the sine that is about negative, 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 and so on. The next one, that is about 2 sine s plus number 1. 2 sine s plus number 1, that is about this one. So we have 0 go in here, 0 go in here, 0 go in here, 0 go in here. So we put one value between 2b and negative b over 6. So you got positive. Go in here, we have negative. This one we have positive, 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 positive. Go in here, you have negative, then you go positive, positive, and positive. About sine x, that is this one. We have this one in here, this one in here, and this one in here. So we put about 11b over 6 go in here. We can see that this one, that is negative 1 over 2. So this is about negative, negative, negative. Go in here, we have positive, positive. Go in here, we have negative, negative, negative. Go in here, we have positive and positive. Now we combine the value negative with 2 positive. We have negative, 0 go in here. This one we have negative. So because this is about sine x equals to number 0, we cannot divide by number 0 in here. So this one we can put double lines. Negative, negative, we have positive. This one 0. 3 negative, we have negative. This one we have 0. This one we have positive. This one we have double lines because we cannot divide by number 0. This one negative. This one we have negative. This one we have positive. This one we have positive and number 0 in here. This one we have negative. This one we have positive. So in this case, I will select this interval and this interval because we have to be, when we put in here, that is about like this. They will repeat again. So because they repeat same interval in here. So I will select only two intervals and we can write the answer. That is about 11b over 6, and we have cake 2b, and we have 2b and cake 2b. And the next one, that is about this interval in here. So that should be about b and cake 2b. This one we have 7b over 6. And that is the answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.